Hello and welcome to this tutorial on getting started with Eclipse IDE. Eclipse is a powerful and widely used integrated development environment that's free and open source. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Eclipse can help you be more productive and efficient in your work. The first step in using Eclipse is to download and install it on your machine. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of installing Eclipse on Windows. Step 1. Download Eclipse IDE. To download Eclipse, go to the official website at Eclipse.org Downloads. You'll see a variety of versions available. For beginners, we recommend downloading the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on the download link for the version that's compatible with your operating system. Step 2. Install Eclipse IDE. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation. You can choose the installation directory and other options during the process. Step 3. Launch Eclipse IDE. After the installation is complete, launch Eclipse by double-clicking on the icon. Once it's open, you'll see a welcome screen with various options for creating new projects and opening existing ones. That's it. You are now ready to start using Eclipse IDE for your development projects. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!